Hope you are doing fine. We're back in the Bittensor ecosystem, in the Bittensor universe. I did the videos how to buy it, how to transfer to Safe Talisman wallet that I use, and I also covered some subnets already. Subnets are the small companies, and today we're gonna focus on something for if you're not sure still what you wanna do, where you wanna invest, where you wanna stake the money. Then I would recommend picking a couple of them and spreading the bets. That's why I'm gonna cover 5 or even 6 here that are under 20 million market cap. That's a sweet spot because, as you can see, some of them already crossed 100. We had 3 of them over 100. Now we have only 2, but that's what we are. Let me just fix that. Yes, so Targon 88 now, Templar and Shoots, but under 20 million, let's say it's a sweet spot where they're already very good proven companies, subnets, and still room to grow. Hopefully a lot, probably a lot. I'll cover in some other videos. Obviously I'll keep covering like single videos about subnets because honestly there's so many now quality ones already delivering very, very good products and starting to get revenue from customers. So let me just go ahead and jump on it. Each of them obviously you can check yourself, do your own research, go to Bittensor Discord. Every subnet, as you can see like this here, has their number, the same as number as the subnet number, and you can ask any questions, or read what's going on here. Really helpful here to see if the subnet is alive, if it's delivering obviously and continuing to work. So first of them, let's just jump right into it, will be Bitmind. Bitmind is a subnet or a company that specializes in verifying if a photo or video online, any photo, is fake. And this is going to be very, very important very soon if it's not already extremely important. As you can see, the price is not very happy, mostly dropping, but it doesn't matter that much in terms of subnets because obviously what matters here is the delivery, the emissions you get, also percentage, and the product that is really has a huge potential and just a matter of time for it to become a success. So obviously you check the Discord, as I said, and go to also their Twitter, or if they have website. They didn't post the website on Tau Stats, usually it's right there, but you can go like that. How it works is really cool. Basically any post, even on X, if you type Bitmind bot, I think it was, but they also have Chrome extension, mobile app, so you can literally do on any app or online, anywhere you want. You just drop it there and they will detect that, and they have solutions for enterprise or bigger companies. So this is a very, very interesting subnet company, and this could really go well. Obviously everybody soon will need some way to make sure the content is correct. I use it on X all the time, checking something, and really, really helpful. It just replies in 30 seconds with detection. So this is a very nice subnet, but obviously check it out and make sure you understand it before buying it. Quickly, let's jump on number 2. I don't want to take your time because it's really, really a lot of things if you go deeper. That's why I'm studying it for a while now. It's crazy how many things are on Bittensor. Second subnet, 404 Gen, they generate 3D content. This spike here was recently, they released a very good video model, let's say, but you can literally go there to the website as well and generate something for yourself. Yeah, I just wrote big green airplane. That's what it did. In 30 seconds, you can generate those small stuff. But imagine this with help of Bittensor miners being much cheaper to develop, because this kind of 3D videos are extremely expensive, take a lot of resources. So you can do it here really quickly as well. Huge potential. Hopefully as well, it's going to skyrocket soon. Another subnet with under 20 million very good price, very good position, and a big future. The third one and fourth are very famous on Bittensor, so hopefully maybe you know it already, or you should soon. It's as well, you see the price action is not perfect, but as I said, the product is important. Time to accumulate, believe in something, and obviously research what they do. Bitcast is doing what advertising agencies never managed to do, and basically deliver ads that work. So if you have a project, if you have something to promote, they post it on their website. People do videos just like me, more or less, and if those videos are watched, then the people get paid. The creators get paid. Brands post their requests on the website, and the creators go to work if they want to, and start making the videos or content. Recently they added X, Twitter as well, and after that obviously they get paid, but based on watch time, so based on real somebody actually watched it. So this is very, very cool, and based obviously on Bittensor, where the miners, the people that write the code to check if people watch the video and stuff, get also rewards. So all this ties together, and if you're making videos, you can also make money. If not, then just buy the token and obviously earn when the token is gonna grow and with the emissions of the token. And the second is Vidaio, which is also very well known, and this is generating video processing. Basically it's scaling up or down video in an extremely good way, so it can shrink a video 90%, and you wouldn't even notice by watching it because the quality will still be the same. This is how they work, or scale it up as well, scale down, scale up, fix quality and stuff like that, and it can have 90% less compression, the compression, less size. So this could be huge for stuff like Netflix, even if they hold the video, let's say somewhere on some servers or something, they can compress it down obviously to save space, and then deliver to you when needed, compress it up on the way. Very good team as well. Also all these subnets are real people. Subnets are very expensive to buy, so it's not like anybody just jumps on it, and the teams there are literally world class. So Vidaio, Bitcast, 404, Bitmind, crazy good subnets already, crazy good companies with huge potential, and as you can see, very low valuation. Under 20 million is nothing compared to some big players. And another one is Synth. Synth is a subnet that is delivering financial markets predictions. Really cool idea, with also miners forecasting price of Bitcoin, of gold, anything like that. For now it's obviously a couple of them, but it looks something like that, and they basically try to predict price. Obviously the best ones win, earn money, and you can also use it for yourself, basically, to hopefully make money with that. But that's it in a nutshell. Really cool idea, again, using the power of AI to predict financial markets and hopefully make you money, and not only by staking, by buying the token, the alpha token, the coin, but also by using it. So they obviously want to bring now a lot more paid subscribers and make it a real success. And last but not least, I gave you 6, but you can pick 5 or how many you want. You can pick 3. I think those in the bracket 10 to 20 million market cap at the moment is the best ones. There are a couple more, but obviously you can do check the other ones. Zeus subnet is the last I'm gonna cover here. Extremely big potential in terms, I was thinking, is it going to be successful or not? They are predicting weather. The miners are predicting weather, and if you go to their X, they are posting real big progress recently. Obviously, as I recommend, follow all of those, check what's going on. And this one here, before they were running like local weather prediction maps and stuff. Now they started running the whole world global map, and then what they want to do is obviously they want to sell it to network stations or ski resorts or some places that require weather prediction. Really cool stuff, and they are getting all the data, processing it. Miners are predicting the weather, and hopefully soon they start selling it because they are highly accurate and they just keep getting better every time. So really cool and interesting stuff to see. You see how many different things are there on Bittensor. Only 5 subnets covering from 3D generation to video compression, advertising, weather predictions, deep fake detection. Everything is so much. Everything is going to go to AI, and is so much better to do on Bittensor because it's much cheaper, and you give those miners rewards, so you don't have to have any investment in the beginning and then start progressing towards creating real revenue. That's the plan, and that's the whole idea of Bittensor. If the companies are good, they know how to describe the problem and get the solutions, then it's definitely going to work very well. So thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think, and any questions, let me know.